My name's Dennis McGehee. I'm an elder here. I'm one of the elders here at the church. And when the tornado come through here the other day, it knocked every one of these trees down on our playground and everything. And here at the Claremore Church School, stuff ain't looking too good. We got this tree down right here, and it took down a porch that was once here that was recently built. Real big porch, built with 4x4s and whatnot, and that tree's so big it tore it right down and crushed that roof in right there. And then on that side, the roof is caved in just the same. My granddaughter Monica put out on the Facebook page that we need a little bit of help for cleanup, and all these people showed up today.
Wow. Most of the members out here are from Claremore SDA, and then we've got some from the Bristow SDA Church that came out, and Tulsa SDA, and then some people from Gentry, and I think we've got a few members from the Broken Arrow Church out here.
There's a lot of rafter damage, and soffit damage, and gutter damage.
Okay.
There's a lot of damage on it.
How'd I
The
do?
church just had one piece of metal messed up on it. It's
No
crazy.
way.
Right
That's
over the church,
amazing.
I guess lit right here towards the school.
Okay. Wow.
It skipped over God's house.
Do you think that the school will be back up and running in time for school in August?
Yes, I'll make sure it does. I own a construction company.
The plan now, I believe, is to get all this debris off of here, and then get an insurance adjuster in here, and he's going to look at the damage and whatnot. But I'm sure the school will be getting a new roof and probably another course after we rebuild the walls and redo the framing that's inside the roof there.